here you are, just watching the guys finishing up behind some containment. They're moving out their rolling scaffolding, and they are getting ready to bring in the Steramist. That's these applicator guns that you see right here, tied to the central control unit. It's a very high-tech way of getting rid of microbial activity. You can see we're in a large office space, and we're just take a look at how the guys set up this containment. They're using a spring-loaded pole system with spreaders that actually prevents any need for painter's tape. You'll notice how they're protecting all the walls and the filing cabinets here. These ceiling tiles are going to be pushed up, and the water damaged insulation above is going to be replaced. You can actually reach out to us at greenworksllc.com, and we can help you figure out what your issues are and get you back on a path to recovery, and hopefully it won't be as elaborate as what we're doing here.